Life is good.
Left town. Please remember that I never gave you mine.
Wow, this is beautiful. I'm like really, really happy right now.
Go ahead.
Reggie!
So you like sweet corn, but how can you not like sweet corn ice cream?
Ice cream should be chocolate.
But that's the thing, I feel like that's a very cheap shot because chocolate is literally in every form of dessert, and you know that it'll be good.
Oh, this is so good, Reggie.
I sense a runner in the garden. Although my judgment's known to fail, was still asleep but in a middle.
Nice. Yours look like a stack of savory crepes. Like you can't tell that it's a quesadilla. Montreal. See, it looks good like that. Sweet Olivia. Like the lush green and the gray and then like the pastels in the sky.
See, that's such good quality. Look at this too, like look inside.
What do you see in it? Ah!
Everything. You see everything in here. You see it?
Oh my god, this is
钱退不了，我说没事不用退啊。